No matter how many shoes you have, you can never have enough storage options. Storing and organizing shoes can be a hassle, but it can also be fun if you think outside the box. Here are some clever and creative ways to store your shoes. Combine storage and seating. Whenever possible, opt for seating with built-in storage. This is especially convenient for storing shoes as they take up relatively little vertical space. Try using a bench with shelves underneath, or storage chests with cushions on top. Combining shoe storage with seating is a perfect strategy for an entryway, mudroom, or closet space. Try a vintage mail sorter. For a fun vintage or farmhouse aesthetic, consider repurposing an old mail sorting shelf. The small rectangular cubbies are the perfect size for a pair of shoes and still provide enough visibility to tell them apart. Most mail organizers have an open space at the bottom, which is perfect for bulkier shoes or boots. Rethink your cabinets. Any cabinet can be shoe storage if you choose. Have an old wooden cabinet unused in the spare room or basement. Turn it into a convenient shoe storage solution. No matter the style, material, or size, cabinets are a great option for organizing your shoes and keeping them out of sight. Try this idea in a hallway if you don't have room in an entry closet. Go vertical with upright shelves. There are plenty of vertical shoe storage solutions available on the market, but one of the sleekest and simplest is to use upright shelves. Narrow shelves with a lip typically used for art or framed pictures work perfectly for holding shoes upright against the wall. If you have shoes with heels, opt for slightly deeper shelves to allow for overhang. Otherwise, even the lowest profile picture shelves will do the trick. These are only a few of the clever and creative ways to store your shoes around the home. Try these ideas on their own or combine to find the best option for your space.